Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So it is that time again, another Stitch Fix unboxing. And the funny thing is every single time my box arrives, I just happen to be at my boyfriend's house. And you can track where your fix is in the delivery process. And every single time I'm over there, I get the notification that my Stitch Fix has arrived at my house. And I'm always like, yeah, I love you so much. I gotta go, bye. Now I'm also a Stitch Fix stylist. I've been working for the company for 3 years now. And during that time, I've also been styling my own fixes, which can be totally dangerous because in the time I spend styling you guys, I'm totally creeping on our inventory and like mentally making notes as to what things I want to throw into my cart when it's time to style my box. Now, if you have not yet signed up for Stitch Fix, I'm going to link my referral code below, but here's the thing. Okay, so if you use my code, yes, I get a $25 credit to use towards a purchase from Stitch Fix, but you also get 25 bucks to use towards your first Stitch Fix purchase. So free money, yes. And basically the service works like this. You sign up for Stitch Fix, you pay a $20 styling fee, and then a stylist, such as myself, curates a box for you that contains 5 different items: clothing, accessories, and shoes if you want them. And then those items are shipped out to you in a box, and you have 3 days to try everything on, decide if you want it, decide if you want to send it back, and whatever you do send back, they give you a prepaid envelope, so it's super easy. You throw everything in there, give it to the postman, he sends it back to us. But whatever you decide to keep, that $20 styling fee that you paid is then deducted from the total purchase amount. Now here's one thing I will warn you, this will totally spoil you. I have become completely spoiled. I want everything to come to me. I want it delivered to me, and I want to just be able to send it back, no muss, no fuss. I have zero patience for going to an actual physical store anymore, whether it's the mall, Target, whatever. I just, between fighting traffic to get there, fighting people in the store, going into the dressing room, trying things on, going to checkout, it's just like, it has become exhausting for me. All right, I'm gonna shut up so I can just tear into this box. Now, I did pull the items out because I couldn't wait. I had to see what they looked like, but here is my Stitch Fix for the month. And again, like, the people in our warehouse do a spectacular job of folding everything so beautifully, and they package it up so nicely. It's such a nice touch. I love that. Okay, so this first thing was a total last minute grab. I need another clutch, like I need a hole in the head, but I love the texture of this straw. This is from Lucky brand, and I thought the, I thought the shape of this was super cute, you know, like the half moon. And it's just, you know, it can store, what else do you need besides your phone, your lipstick, and maybe your credit card, but it's got this beautiful tassel, which I love. And then the inside, okay, so it's just like a nice linen lining. And they also include a purse bag. Oh my gosh, this next thing, you'd think this is like the world's greatest piece of clothing, but okay, so I saw this. This is just, it's a striped knit hoodie. I am so in love with this. I have been desperately looking for lightweight knits to wear, you know, like just on like a cooler spring day when I just want to run errands or I need to walk the dog. And strangely enough, I have hardly anything in my closet that remotely resembles what I'm talking about. So I saw this and I fell in love, you know, in large part because I knew it was going to be lightweight and therefore super soft, which it is, but I love the detailing in the back. Like, that's just such a cute touch, you know what I mean? And then it also has the pocket in the front, and like I said, it does have a hood, and it is so ridiculously soft. Oh my gosh, I'm like crushing on this thing. I have fallen in love with this simple striped knit top. Oh my gosh. Okay, so next, I swear to you, like, I feel as though every single box contains a blue dress, and this one's no exception. So I had seen this a while ago in our inventory, and to be honest with you, I totally forgot about it. Like, usually when I see something that I like, I am on it. Like, I have a mental note. I make a beeline for it as soon as it's time to style my own fixes. And this, I forgot about it. But it's this super cute summer dress. This is from Collective Concepts, and I love the detailing. It's got, you know, the ruffle sleeve. It's got this beautiful kind of like knit crochet detailing on the bodice. And then it does have functional buttons that run to the waistline. I love the colors of this. This blue, like this cobalt blue with the white, oh my Lord. I love this color combination. Oh my gosh, okay, this next top, this was what I was most excited about getting. All right, so to give you a little bit of background, my quest continues for a very breezy top to wear with some of my favorite shorts and jeans in the summertime. And it finally dawned on me that what I was looking for had to be 100% cotton or linen. Like that was the fabric that I wanted. So I was digging around in our inventory for white tops and this sucker popped up. I fell in love with this as soon as I saw it. It's probably gonna be hard for you to see because of the light coming in, but it is this beautifully embroidered, crocheted, white, 100% cotton top from a brand called Roller Rabbit. I had never even heard of this brand. So I did some digging and apparently it was formed in the early 2000s and everything they make is made by hand by artisans around the world. Like this company is no joke. On their website, they were talking about like their leather products are made by artisans in Thailand and anything they sell that's cashmere is knitted by artisans in Nepal. So just super, super cool company. So I saw this and I fell in love. I will give you, like I said, a close-up when I try it on. But it is so stunning. And then, oh, this is neat. Okay, so on the label, they actually give you, oh, I love this. So on the label, they indicate the individuals that actually handcrafted this top and they give a little story about each of them. So it says this Roller Rabbit garment was created by hand. We hope you love each of the distinctly human touches as much as we do. And so the 4 individuals, oh my gosh, I love this. So like for example, one of the individuals, their name is Ari from Kashmir and it says, they used a hooking technique to create a repeating chain of looped stitches. And then Shaikhan from Pradesh, oh my gosh, listen to this. So it says, Shaikhan uses white thread on white muslin with at least 40 different stitching techniques. These include chain stitch, buttonhole stitch, French knot, running stitch, and shadow work. Oh my gosh, this is so ridiculously beautiful. I cannot wait to try this on. And finally, I keep saying I'm done trying to find jeans and I'm just gonna be happy with the ones I have, and every single fix, a pair of jeans finds their way into my box. So these, I saw them and I don't know, I was just really into the medium rinse. Like I'm noticing I love darker rinses in photographs and on other people, but I don't like them on me. Like I like a medium rinse. So these seemed interesting, and as I've said before, I love a high rise, which these are. I did not want any distressing. I just wanted like a clean hem, nothing frayed, which these are. And I've also been on the search for jeans that aren't super like loaded down with spandex. I don't want a jegging, I want jeans that are primarily cotton with just the tiniest amount of spandex in them. And those have been really hard to find. This was another brand, Good American. This is Khloe Kardashian's brand. I had no idea because I don't keep up with the Kardashians, but I did some digging about some of their practices and it actually seemed like a cool company. They donate a portion of every single one of their sales to an organization called Step Up, which helps girls in under-resourced communities, which I think is cool. So I wanted to give these a go. Now, before I try everything on, let me give you a disclaimer. I have been towing the line with what I've been calling a low buy year when it comes to clothing purchases. I have, to be honest with you, way too much to begin with. So I've really been trying to scale down big time, like the massive closet decluttering continues. I've got 3 piles constantly going, a pile to keep, a pile to donate, and a pile to sell. And actually what I'm selling, a lot of it is listed on eBay, and I'll include those links below for you to check out. If something, you know, seems interesting, you can buy it. But, you know, I'm just like at the point where I'm trying not to buy something just because, oh, I like that. Like, there has to be thinking behind it. It has to be versatile. It has to be something I really, truly love. And also something that I think is gonna stand the test of time, because I am starting to understand my style preferences more and more, especially as it pertains season by season. So we will see if any of these make the cut. So here obviously is the striped knit top, and it is very soft, it's very comfortable. The material's thin, which is what I wanted. You know, obviously heading into spring and summer, I didn't want something bulky and heavy. The sleeve length is very good, which I totally appreciate. Usually sleeves are way too long on me. And I also like the length, so it gives me the coverage in the back so that I feel comfortable wearing it with leggings. I wanted to give you guys a visual in terms of what I had in mind when it came to layering a top like this. Now, I was thinking this is something I'd like to wear under my cropped denim jacket. You know, again, if I'm just running errands or I'm out walking the dog and it's, you know, a chilly day. I love the way this lays underneath my jacket. It doesn't feel super bulky in the arms. And then I also can appreciate how nicely the hood is just laying on the collar, because I am crazy OCD about stuff like that. It would drive me nuts. Here is how I would wear this dress. I would totally throw on my straw fedora. I live in this sucker in the summertime. And of course, I've talked about nude heels 5,000 times, but just again to tell you guys, if you want to make your legs look longer, always go with a nude shoe, because what it does is it creates a seamless line from your torso down to your toe. It doesn't cut the leg off like a black shoe would or a colored shoe would. It is my favorite fashion hack. My only concern is that the medium is fitting loose in the bodice, maybe looser and more balloony than I would like it to, just because I feel like it's adding weight that I don't have. So that's something that's giving me a little bit of pause, which is unfortunate because I really like this dress. I like the style of it. The skirt is lined. I think the color scheme is adorable. So I don't know. We will have to see. And while I'm here, I might as well show you to the clutch. Again, super cute with a dress or jeans. This type of clutch in the summertime, I just think is absolutely adorable. I love it. And so it's like the perfect size. Not so much for the jeans. First of all, I don't like how they're pooling at the ankles. They're way too long on they're not doing it for me. And I think these jeans are like 98 bucks. So, no. If I'm spending that much money on jeans, they've got to be like practically making love to me at night. And these just aren't, I'm not liking them. I'm kind of underwhelmed. Now, in terms of the fabrication, they definitely have some stretch to these suckers. Not so much that they feel like jeggings. They do feel like a comfortable stretch that isn't obnoxious. And it is comfortable. I don't know. There's something about these. It's the cut, it's the length. They're not working for me. Oh, and this top, it's so beautiful. It's everything I ever wanted in a beautiful cotton top. But for the fact that it is so see-through. Oh my lord, I don't like that very much. That might be a little much for me. I did put my jeans back on. I wanted to see how it would look with my denim. I'm so bummed about the shirt. I love it. Why does it have to be so so see-through? I feel like I'm putting on a show. The detailing is absolutely stunning. The embroidery is gorgeous. It's so comfortable. It's so breezy. I would live in this top as soon as the weather turns warm. Oh gosh dang it. I love it so much.
So I decided just to keep the striped hooded top because, oh my gosh, I wanted to keep that dress so badly. It's so cute. But I had a $25 credit to use, and like I said, I've really been trying to scale down on what I've been buying. So I ended up getting that top, and I love it. I have worn it constantly. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!